Hi guys, we're here to talk about average senior network engineer salary here in the Philippines. So the average salary of a network engineer is around 729,876 pesos and has a bonus of 72,000 pesos. And the average salary for a senior network engineer in the Philippines is for the 10% of the salary is 200,000 pesos. For the median or the 50% is 730,000 and the 90% of the salary is around 2 million pesos. So, a senior network engineer, your job title, get a personal salary report here. Job description for the senior engineer is a senior network engineer design and create computer network within an organization and ensure that they are working properly. In some cases, they also maintain network for third-party clients. The network should be balanced so it works well and data flows easily. When networks are not functioning properly, the network engineer must use problem-solving skills to find a solution, and it's also important to back up the system so they can be easily restored. So, what are the senior network engineer's tasks? So, first is install, configure, and troubleshoot network architecture. Monitor and diagnose performances issues with network architecture. Design and implement business solution using network equipment. Design, write update system documentation and network diagrams. So, the career path. So, you can explore the most common career here as a senior network engineer. So, as a senior engineer, you are very flexible as an IT or information technology, or also as computer aided design or CAD. So let's So here is the pay by experience level for a senior network engineer. As you can see here, uh, at 660K mark or the 660,000 pesos, and at the peak of the salary, I experienced rather is at the 72 720K or the 720,000 pesos. And as the lowest for the 10 to 19 years old is 600,000 pesos. So most of us uh, maybe doesn't know more about what senior network engineer is. The salary is that much. So an early career as a senior network engineer with a 1 to 4 years of experience, it earns an average total of compensation, includes tips, bonus, and overtime pay. So the tips for your job and the overtime pay is also included here in your average compensation. It has a so it's around 660,000 pesos based on 9 salaries. A mid-career for a senior network engineer with a 5 to 9 years of experience earn an average total of compensation of 719,706 pesos. So it is based on a 16 salaries. So an experienced senior network engineer with a 10 to 19 years of experience, earns an average total compensation of 660 pesos based on 9 salaries. So this graph shows the salary of your of this job based on your experience. So the 1 to 4 years of experience, 660k. A 5 to 9 years experience has a 720,000, and the 10 to 19 years old average is 600,000 pesos. That's much. So years of experience. Uh, so uh, it includes that this data is based on the 34 survey responses. So 25 at 26.5% of the survey says that's early career, and the mid careers is stated as 47.1%, and the experience is 26.5%, which is good enough. So here are some of the network related job salaries here as senior network engineer. So as a network engineer, you can earn as much as 101,000 pesos to 2 million pesos. And information technology or an IT manager has a salary of a 217,000 pesos to 2 million pesos. So while the network administrator has a salary of 65,000 pesos to 550,000 pesos. So the system administrator, oh, different from a network administrator. The system administrator uh, has a salary of 48,000 pesos to 841,000 pesos. So, and the system administrator, computer and network, has a salary of 42,000 pesos to a maximum of 627,000 pesos. System engineer, computer networking, or an IT, has a salary of 21,000 pesos to 997,000. An information technology specialist has a salary of 25,000 pesos to 999,000 pesos, while the network operation centers, or the NOC engineer, has a salary of 20,000 pesos to 857,000 pesos. Information technology, an IT supervisor, supervisor, 16,000 pesos to 720,000 pesos, while the network administrator IT has a salary of 41,000 pesos and 98 million pesos. So let's get back here. Let's get back to this popular skill for senior network engineer. An average salary as a Cisco networking has 759,168 pesos with a 16 responses. It's based on a survey. While the network management or the administration, uh, which has a salary of 730,700 pesos with a 13 responses, while the switching and routing has a salary of 660,000 pesos with 6 responses, and the switches and firewall as installation and in administration has a salary of 582,000 with 5 responses, and the skills in Cisco networking and network management administration are correlated to pay that is above average. So the payment or the salary for this job is above average. Skill that pay less, market rate includes switches and firewall installation and administration and switching and routing. So let's see. Let's take a look. What can we see here? Let's do the salary of an IT. Let's get back to it. So the average information technology or the IT manager salary in the Philippines is 932,675 pesos, rather with a bonus of 127,148 pesos with the profit sharing of 1,000 pesos. So let's see what this computer aided design or the CAD engineering salary. So, mm, so the average computer aided design CAD engineering salary here in the Philippines is around 300 to 22,800 pesos. That's an average salary for a CAD engineer. Not bad. So let's get back to here. Maybe that's all.